everyone, so I'm Ray from Crystal Candy, and today's video is all about our metallic powders. So I've been asked so often about what powder to use, what color, what mixture, how do you apply it, what is the best method. So that's what this video is all about today. And all the different colors. We have got Empress Gold, we have silver, rose gold, pink gold, old gold, copper, and our wonderful Inca gold. They all come in shaker vials. They are all powders, and in order to apply them effectively so that they are permanent, we use our Confectioners glaze to mix them with. So of course, when you are using, whether it's a brush, whether it's an airbrush, or whether it's a sponge, you actually need to clean your utensils, because otherwise it will become sticky and unusable again. So what I've done is I poured some Confectioners cleaner into a container. If I was using an airbrush, I would pour the Confectioners cleaner into the airbrush receptacle before and after I finished airbrushing. And then I would spray just to clean all the nozzles of the airbrush and get it perfectly clean, ready for the next project. So here I've got silver metallic powder. I'm going to put a few drops of Confectioners glaze. I'm going to use my paintbrush and mix it to a nice pasty consistency. Anything lighter than a paste, I probably have to do 2 coats. So with the pasty consistency like this, I'll just take an embellishment and paint. 1 coat, that's all that's necessary. And there I have a silver embellishment. So let's do the same with all the other colors. This is copper. So I'm going to put my brush into cleaner. I'll take another brush. I'll add some Confectioners glaze. And I'll do the same with our copper. This is Inca gold. This is rose gold. This is old gold. This is Empress gold. And this is pink gold. Okay, so here we have our 7 embellishments. We've got old gold, we've got copper, we've got Inca gold, we've got pink gold, rose gold, silver, and Empress gold. They're all similar, but they're all different, in fact. And the nice thing about this is we can now highlight or just lift the color by doing another color on top. So for example, I can take the Empress gold and I can just brush the tips of it just to highlight the petals. I can do the same with silver to give more of a highlight. So that's it, guys. I hope this clarifies our different metallics for you. Because I've used Confectioners Glaze, if you wipe it, nothing is going to come off. The color is permanent and you're going to get an awesome metallic look to your embellishments. Thanks for joining me. Ciao, ciao.